Hey there, today, let's dive into a mind-bending experiment that helps us understand one of the most mysterious aspects of light, the double slit experiment. Imagine a world where light behaves like both a wave and a particle at the same time. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this experiment helps us see just how weird and wonderful the world of quantum physics can be. First, let's talk about what this experiment is all about. Picture this. You have a wall with two tiny slits in it. We're not talking about big, wide openings, but tiny slits that are really close together. Now imagine shining a beam of light at this wall. What do you think will happen? You might expect to see two bands of light on the other side, each matching up with the slits, right? Well, that's where things get interesting. When scientists actually did this experiment, they found something mind-boggling. Instead of just two bands of light, they saw a pattern of multiple bands. It looked like a series of light and dark stripes, kind of like what you might see when you shine light through a narrow opening. But wait, how could this happen with just two slits? Here's where the magic, or science, of the double slit experiment comes in. When light passes through those two slits, it doesn't just act like a single beam of light. It behaves more like a wave, spreading out and interfering with itself. This interference is what creates those bands of light and dark on the other side. But hold on, we're not done yet. If light behaves like a wave in this experiment, then what happens when we try to see which slit the light goes through? Scientists thought, hey, let's put a detector near each slit to see which one the light goes through. Seems like a straightforward plan, right? Well, when they did this, something strange happened. The pattern of light and dark bands disappeared. Instead, they saw just two bands of light, matching up with each slit. It was as if the light suddenly decided to act like particles, going through one slit or the other, but not both at the same time. So what does all this mean? The double slit experiment shows us that light can behave like both a wave and a particle. It's this dual nature of light that's at the heart of quantum physics. And it's not just light. Particles like electrons also show this wave-particle duality. This experiment challenges our everyday understanding of the world. It tells us that on the quantum level, things can be weird and unpredictable. It's like the universe has a secret side that we're just starting to uncover. In conclusion, the double slit experiment is a fascinating journey into the mysteries of light and quantum physics. It shows us that light can behave like a wave, creating interference patterns, but also like particles, choosing one path over another.